Hello friends and welcome back and learn adjectives in English Urdu with sentences starting from the alphabet D to E. So let's start our video with this first word, that is damaged. Kharab ya zarar. He sold me damaged mobile in half price. Damp, numb ya gila. The child played in a damp spot. Dangerous, खतरनाक. You made a dangerous decision. Dark, स्याह या तारीक. Most people sleep in dark room. Dazzling, हैरत अंगेज. She desired to offer me dazzling benefits. Dead, मुर्दा. The kid saw the dead body. Deadly, मोहलिक या जानलेवा. Malaria is a deadly disease if not treated timely. Deafening, कान फाड़ देने वाली. I panicked when I heard the deafening horn of the truck. Decent, माकूल. She accepted the decent job. Decisive, फैसला कुन. It was the decisive moment of her life. Deep, गहरा. The farmer dug a deep hole. Defenseless, बेकस या गैर महफूज तौर से. He made me defenseless. Defensive, दिफाई. She will roll out defensive policy today. Deficient, कमी या नाकाफी या थोड़ा. She brought deficient food items. Definite, यकीनी. It was definite that she would come today. Delectable, खुश जायका या मज़ेदार. She made a delectable dish. Delightful, लज़्ज़त बख्श या ज़बरदस्त या राहत बख्श. I can't explain how delightful it is for me. Delirious, पुरजोश या दीवाना या बेकाबू. He was very delirious after victory. Demanding, मुतालबा या मेहनत तलब. He accepts the challenges and performs demanding tasks. Dense, घना या गाढ़ा. Can you shake the dense paste? Dependable, काबिल एतमाद या काबिल भरोसा. The quality of the product is dependable. Dependent, दूसरों पर इन्हिसार करने वाला. How many dependents do you have? Descriptive, वजाहती. We received the descriptive statement from the company. Deserted, वीरान. They chose to live in deserted area. Detailed, तफसीली. The court has issued a detailed decision. Determined, साबित कदम या मजबूत. My cousin was determined to get good marks in the exam. Devoted, मुखलिस या जानिसार. He was content with his devoted life to the saint. Diligent, मेहनती या मुस्तकिल मिजाज. Now it proved that he is diligent member of the party. Disastrous, तबाहकुन. Our nation is facing the disastrous effects of the earthquake. disfigured, badnaam. It is considered a disfigured topic. Disgusting, makruh या काबिल नफरत. I really had his disgusting attitude. Disloyal, बेवफा. He has been disloyal to the company. Dismal, मायूस कुन या अफसुर्दा. The movie has dismal end. Distant, दूर. He lives in a distant suburb. Distinct, वाज़ेह. The operator delivered a distinct message. Distorted, मस्क या बिगड़ा हुआ. She gave them distorted information. Dizzy, चक्कर आना या सर घूमना. Her mother felt dizzy while going up. Drab, बेलुत्फ या गैर पुरकशिश. She was worried about her drab personality. Dual, double. The product offers dual advantage. Dutiful, Farshnas. Many people like her because she is dutiful. Dull, sust या कुंद जहन. The teacher had to work hard on dull student. Eager, बेचैन. He was eager to gain his first salary. Early, जल्दी. We get up early in the morning. Easy, आसान. The lazy people prefer easy task. Ecstatic, पुरजोश या मगन. His ecstatic time was worth seeing. Edible, खुर्दनी या खाने के काबिल. Is this oil is edible? Educated, तालीम याफ्ता. My neighbor is educated old lady. Thanks for watching.